In this video, let us understand how to use Notepad++ as a Python editor. First, let us understand what is Notepad++, then how to install Notepad++, and how to execute the program in Notepad++, along with that, how to make the runtime setup. So all this we learn in this video. Why Notepad++? Notepad++ is highly functional, free and open source editor. It supports more than 27 languages like C, C++, Java, Python and so on. It has higher execution speed and smaller size. So the size of the program file is very small and the execution speed definitely will be more. And it also have the tabbed files, so you can open multiple files in the same window. So this is the file 1, file 2, file 3, and navigation between one to one will be very easy. So this is the advantage we getting from the Notepad++. Now let's see that how to install Notepad++. So you can open the browser and go to search and then type Notepad++ download. You can see that notepad++.org downloads. You right click and go to that website. So here is Notepad 7.9.1, right? So click on this. So if you want 64-bit, you can download 64-bit. So here is an installer. So just see that the file size is only 3.9 MB. It's very small. That's the advantage. So then when you open the file, it'll ask you to install. Okay, say yes. So select the language. Next. So agree the license agreement. Next. Next. And if you want a shortcut on desktop, select this and then create the shortcut on desktop. Install. So you see that it's completed. So the complete installation is over and even it's open so quickly. So here you can create the new file. Go to file, new, and when you save, you have to say save as, file, save as. So you want to save as Python file. So you can see that so many types, so many languages will support. So Python is also one. Then I go to D drive, YouTube, Python related examples. Okay, I'll just give the name first.py. So save, yes, because I already have the file over there. So therefore, it says that you want to replace. Okay, fine, replace this. Okay, first, but anyhow, you don't have that file. So click save, it will save the file. Now next step is we need to write the program. Before writing the program, how to execute this? When you run this, so you should run this program in Python. For that we need a setup. Let's see that how to make the setup. So in order to run the Python file, you have to go to run. So here is a run option. So we need to set the environment here, the program to run, which program you want to run. So you can give the directly Python path, but there are some difficulties. For that we require a proper syntax or command. So here is the one actually. Here I have to execute the Python. You can set cmd. So we'll execute the cmd command first and /k. Then python.exe, that is the file we want to execute this. And you should check the current path, full current path. And then once the execution get over, you should pass the program. Then it should exit. When you press the enter key, it should exit. So this is the correct and a proper method. We can use this one. So also we can give the complete path. Where is your python.exe file? That's also will do the job. There is other method is you can use the IDLE. So for that you have to give python -m idle lib.idle -r, then the full current path. So this is another method. So the next one is you can give the complete path, that is a Python path. So -m, so idle lib.idle /r and then current path. So all are working, but this one is very ideal. So therefore I'll choose this option. So here is cmd/k python.exe double quotes dollar open bracket full underscore current underscore path close the bracket, double quotes, and pass and exit. Okay, so this is the correct syntax to execute the Python program. So therefore here, first what you have to do, you have to go to run and select the run, and here you need to paste this. You have to paste the whole syntax. Then you have to save this one. So next time we don't need to do this because we can always run because we already saved this one. And here is the name, Python execution. Fine, this is the name, and then you can create the shortcut key here. So I'll create Alt E. Alt E is executing. So therefore Alt E. So Alt E is the execution. Okay. So it's saved. Now you can say run. The program is running because there is nothing to show here. So, and because we are using pass, it will say that press any key to continue. Then it will exit. Right, now you can go here. So you can say Python execution. The link is ready. The menu item is ready and the one shortcut is ready. So next time when you increase Alt T, it will do the job. Now let us write the first program. So here is the program. So val1 int input, enter the first number. Val2 is a variable. Int is a function to convert this input. So here is input, enter second number. Then sum is equal to val plus 1 val2. Print the sum of input number is sum. Okay. Now our program is ready. Then save this. There is a control S to save. Then Alt T. So the program is running. Now we can enter the number. So let's enter another number. The total is 60. Fine, it's working. So therefore you need to download, install, then set the runtime environment, and then you can able to run the program after writing the program. So hope you understand the concept. So what do you feel about this? Please write it in the comment box. Let us know us. And also please subscribe to our channel.